We got the E36 Vert, we got the EFSI, and then we got the beautiful Civic Type R. So this is what we're installing the catback system on. My boy just dropped off this Civic Type R. We're gonna install an exhaust on it tomorrow. It's late at night, I had things to do, but I was able to get back here so that I could pick up the car, park it, let the exhaust cool down. That way I can do the exhaust work on it tomorrow. But let me show it to you guys. There we go. I know it's dark. It's very difficult to see, but we're gonna head out from the office. We've had a very, very late night. So we're out of here. Oh man. This thing's beautiful. I can't wait for you guys to see it during the day. That's for sure. All right, guys, I wasn't even gonna talk about this car tonight because I'm literally that tired. But number one, this stock exhaust has got to go. Like, I'm not gonna say it's not fun, but it's like, it's not what a Civic Type R should freaking sound like, feel like. But tomorrow, once we get this exhaust done, guys, like, it's gonna be much, much better. But let me get off the phone. I gotta focus on driving right now because I haven't been driving it that long. But it definitely needs that exhaust tomorrow. So we're gonna get it going, and we're gonna make it happen for sure. Man, guys, what's up? It's the very next day, and I'm about to move some cars around. We got the Bronco in the back. We got to bring the Civic back here. I don't like moving the Bronco early in the morning because the exhaust is super loud on this thing. Let's see if we got anything. We got the plate back there we got to put on. You guys hear this thing? Hop in the Civic right now. Let's get this car back here. Oh, hell yeah. We're actually not going to do the work yet. We got to go to the office and do a couple things, but I wanted to get it parked. I'll get it up on jack stands shortly, and then we'll start the work. But I have an appointment at 12:30, so it's kind of midday, and it's messing up my work schedule. All right, guys, so we're pulling up to the office. There goes the E36, the G37, but we're gonna come over here and pick up the exhaust system. All right, so the Invidia exhaust, I was loading up into the Bronco, but it just wasn't gonna work out. What's kind of crazy about the Bronco, a lot of people don't realize is it's so short. So instead, we're gonna take the work truck. We got the exhaust system back there. Take that back home, unbox it, and then get started on the Type R. Man, I'm beyond excited to install this exhaust, guys, and my buddy Jose, he has no idea. So what ended up happening with the exhaust, just so you guys know what's up, is he wanted to order it, and then I kind of lied to him about how long it was gonna take to get here, and I got here overnight, or actually 2 days, I'm sorry, 2 days, because I ordered it too late in the evening. So when it showed up, I hit him up and I'm like, yo, Jose, your exhaust got here, and if you want your Civic to be done tomorrow before you get off of work, drop it off tonight and I'll get it done. That way when you get off of work, you can pick up the Civic Type R and listen to that thing. So I was literally telling Jose that this thing is so boring. I can't wait to open it up. We're gonna open up that exhaust system, and it's just gonna change the entire dynamics of the car. And I'm glad we're putting an Invidia exhaust unit on it. It's gonna look so good. It's gonna have trip titanium exhaust in the rear. So man, this thing's gonna get dialed. Guys, I don't wanna make it too much of a DIY just because I don't have the time, but essentially we got the heat shield removed. We got access to the exhaust. We got the other underbelly panels we gotta remove. Then we'll be able to access the hardware, pull out the downpipe, unbolt it from the downpipe, remove everything back, and then put the new unit in. So we're gonna get that going. That's the system right there. Let's get it done. This under panel has like freaking 30 million clips, but we got them all out. This is the last one. Let me it's so nice working on a newer car because like nothing breaks. Like on old cars, all the plastic gets you know, nice and brittle. So this under panel, oh, you'll see how large this thing is, man. This thing is pretty ridiculous. You can see it's like the whole bottom part of the car, so it's finally all off. I like to have as much access as I can, especially when I'm working on the exhaust, so that's good. And then we have another underbelly tray, the metal one over there, so we're gonna pull that one out. And then we have access to the complete exhaust system. So follow me. We got everything's loose. The exhaust hanger was a pain in the butt, but we got that all taken care of right there, and we should be able to slide this bad boy out. All right, so let's see. I'm gonna go. Oh, it's gonna come right out the front. Should I take it out? Yeah, this is, I guess, just like this. Man, guys, what a pain in the butt. This freaking pipe right here. You gotta know how to finagle it, but it comes out pretty good. But that's all set. Everything's removed here. Let me actually show you the back of the car. So we got the entire exhaust pretty much removed, unbolted. I have it on a box so it doesn't get all scratched up. We got one last exhaust hanger towards the front, and then this entire exhaust system comes out. Just got this hanger right here left to do, and then we'll be able to pull out the rest of the exhaust. Man, you guys always seem to catch me all dirty. Let me show you where we're at. We got the entire exhaust. I put it on rollers. Let me slide this out. I don't want to scratch it just because, you know, I mean, I know it's not that serious, guys, but we want to make sure we take care of our customers' belongings for sure. So let's get this thing unboxed. I don't got too much battery left on there, but man, what a bad day to try and record. I don't have my tripod here. I left it in my other car, but there goes the system right there. Oh, that's the new catback system right here. So that's an Invidia. This is the stock setup right here. That's the aftermarket setup, and then the titanium tips are inside there, but I don't want to remove them out of there yet. Don't want to get them scratched up. Old system right here. We're keeping the catalytic converter, make sure everything's legal, and we're good. So this pipe right here on the right was a pain in the ass to get out. Definitely a little annoying. Maybe if you're on a lift it wouldn't be that bad, but when you're close to the ground, trying to get the right rotation so you pull it out. But all in all, it's not that serious. We got the new unit right here. I transferred over the exhaust hanger right there, and I'm gonna put that in first, and then bolt up the rest of the system. So cool. We got that little mid pipe in. It comes with brand new hardware. We got a brand new exhaust manifold right there, so we're good. We're gonna bolt up the pipes going towards the rear, and we should be good. All right, guys, we don't have it tight yet, but we got this pipe all the way through and over, and then connects again right there. Then it goes back, and then we got the I think 2 pipes left, and we're good to go. Usually I would use a jack or something, but I figured out that I'm doing this for so long now that everything's almost a perfect height, just laying it on my chest and rolling underneath. I'm so excited right now. I don't know what I look like, guys, but this thing's almost buttoned up and complete. So that's the complete exhaust, bolted up all the way to the front. Catback system. Let's get under here. Let's expose the exhaust. Ooh, check that out. Oh, that looks so good. All right, we're gonna bolt up that little center section right there, and we're looking good, guys. Let's see what it sounds like. You know what, guys, I didn't get a underside for you, so before I put on all the panels and everything, I'll show you exactly what we're looking like. It looks so good. And then we'll take some videos with exhaust note. Hopefully you guys can hear that exhaust note before it was silent. Now that I've been in this car, you guys saw when I picked this thing up yesterday, and it just did not feel like a race car the way this car should feel, sound, anything like that. It was just kind of bland. And you know, for Civic Type R, you guys already know this thing should be freaking up and going and loud. I like this Invidia exhaust a lot. I'm not a fan of exhausts that are overly loud. This thing has a nice deep tone. With the windows up, you could still hear the exhaust. It sounds nice. With the windows down, you could definitely hear it. We'll tell you this, that the Civic Type R now is a blast to drive. It's not the way it was when I first got in this thing. Up because I think we're just getting too much wind noise, and the iPhone mic isn't the greatest. so good, guys. Iván, ¿te gustó el carro de tu papi?
Dile sí.
Heck yeah. Look at his shoes, man. Those are rad. Alright guys, this is where we're ending the video, and you know what, let me get the best angle of the freaking Civic Type R. So with that being said, this is my boy Jose's car. He purchased this thing, and he ordered the catback exhaust through me, and then we got it all installed for him. But this thing is so nice, man. Like, I hope you guys love this video, this channel. If you don't know who I am, I own a used car dealer here in Southern California, Santa Fe Springs. Man, car's beautiful, guys.